Hello friends, welcome to this new tutorial about Lightroom, and this is specifically about editing bird portrait. So here is an image of spotted owlet which I took recently in my city outskirts. Only with this image we are going to work today. And thanks everyone for your support, for your feedback about my video. And I have worked on my audio quality. I think it is sounding better now. Apart from that, many have suggested on adding up my own video, a cam showing up myself. I don't have a cam as of now, and I thought of streaming up my SLR, but I didn't find any way to do that. Hopefully, from my next video, I think I'll be doing that up. So let's quickly get started in editing this bird portrait. So here again, as you can see, I have a series of images. So this specifically we'll be working upon. So we'll quickly go to develop. Okay. So this was evenly lit, and it was time was nearly around, I think, around 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. Yes, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. And this image was taken in 5D Mark III Tamron 150-600 G1 lens. So we shall start. To start with, as you can see, the ISO is 1000 and f6.3 1/2/5. I think it is very less while taking bird portraits, because spotted owlets, they'll be moving here and there. They'll be hunting at that time. At that time, they'll be settling down. In the morning time, it was nearly 7 o'clock. So if you have to freeze their moment, if it is 1/250 is not at all a good option. I'd always suggest you to go a little bit higher, at least 1/1000. So at least to your satisfaction, you'll be getting a good image. So this spotted owlet was still, it was watching us. I was able to get a shot of it, good portrait of it. So we'd start working on it. And first thing, what I'd be doing is I'd be cropping it up. I've already made it up to the rule of thirds. Yet still, to my satisfaction, what I'm actually doing is I'm just framing it up in this way. I hope it just comes in the corner of the image. So yes, that's okay now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work upon the highlight, shadows, whites and blacks. And the temperature, this one I'm not going to do anything. It stays as such. Apart from that, I'm not going to touch anything in the saturation here in this part. All I'll be working upon the colors here. It will be down here in the hue, saturation, luminance, and then I'll be working on the tone curves. Along with that, I'll be working on the detail, and then there is no lens corrections or any effects that I'll be adding upon. So firstly, what I'll be doing is I'm just reducing up some highlights here. Just to get some details in the whites in here of its above its eyebrows. And then there is no shadows in this image, so I'm just not going to touch anything. So if you want some whites in this, you can just add it up. I'm just pressing Alt key. Just remember, I'm pressing Alt key. So in case if there are more whites present in the image, so it would be appearing in this way. So we'd not go to that point. And just limiting it to a +10. So that's enough. Maybe I just add up some exposure to this image. Yeah, that's good now. Okay. So, and I'll be adding up some blacks. So in case if we have too much blacks, it will be appearing like this way. And I'm just reducing it just uh, between plus or minus 10. Okay then. So I'm not touching the clarity as of now. So initially we work upon the detailing first. So as you can see, there is a little bit of noise present in the image. So go upon and add up some masking to this image now. So what masking actually does is that it actually selects only a specific portion of the image that we want to add detail upon. So I've just masked it up and just adding it, and I'm just sharpening up the image. And now if you add up some luminance, yeah, well, that would be enough. So what this luminance would do is it would add up a little bit. It would reduce the noise present in the image, and it would smoothen the grains present in image. So that's the technical working of this luminance. And then apart from that, you can just go ahead and add some of the hue saturation luminance. So in case if you want to have a dark background, you can just go and just reduce the luminance present in the greens. In that case, I think you might feel the difference now. See, this is a dark background, just reducing greens. So there's a dark background. So I just want it to be the same, just reducing a little bit. I just want to have detail in the eyes of this Owlet. So I'm just adding up some light to it. So as it's yellow, I'm just adding up some yellows to the picture. And then now I'm working on the saturation now. So green is prominent in this image. So I'm just adding up some saturation to that and some yellows. And there's no red or red, purple, blue, magenta is present in the image. How we can just add up some blues. Just in case some cooler tones are present, that would be lit up. And apart from that, okay, I'll be working on the lights. Yeah, you can just add it up to your satisfaction. Everything it is your opinion. It's how you feel, how you have captured the image, and how you want to project it. So I'm just doing it of my own imagination. So this is enough. And then darks I've already added, and shadows. And shadows I'm not touching. And I think all of the adjustments I've done. And finally, I'll be adding up some clarity to this picture, and then some vibrance. So vibrance actually increases up some. It adds up some richness to your color tones. So that's what vibrance does. Okay. So we are done. Now we'll be looking at the before and after of the image, how I've actually edited and how it was previously. Yeah, so this is how it was. Hope I've added some lighting to that image, and then I've added some light to the eyes present in it, and also done some judgment to the background. Part of leaves were lit up at that time, and I think even this part, that is the top right corner, I think it is okay now. And hope I'm done. Yes, that's all. Okay, fine. So this is it. In case if you have any doubts on how to edit, or any more doubts related to editing both portraits, Please do ping me in my Instagram ID. I'd sure be helping you out. And again, this is sort of my personal experience, and this is purely my one editing technique. In case if you have a better technique, in case if you have better options or better tools that would help to edit bird portraits, please do suggest me. Please do message me in my Instagram handle or add it up in the comments. It would be really helpful for those inspiring photographers who are into boarding or who are into wildlife. Once again, thanks for watching. Hoping to meet you guys in another video about Lightroom. And thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe, and add your feedback in the comments. Thank you.